This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Are you overpaying to maintain your Audi without even realizing it? What if I told you that most Audi owners spend way more than necessary simply because they don't know the right parts to use? And here is the absolute truth. You don't need expensive dealership parts to keep your Audi running perfectly. You just need the right components, at the right quality level, at the right price. Most people fall into one of two traps. They buy the cheapest parts available, or they overpay for OEM without understanding alternatives. Both are mistakes. Because the goal is not cheap, it's smart quality. Let's start with one of the most important components. Engine oil. This is where many Audi owners waste money. They assume higher price always means better performance, but that's not always true. Audi engines require specific standards, not necessarily the most expensive bottle on the shelf. The key is certification, not branding. Using the correct specification oil protects the engine, maintains performance, avoids long-term damage, and often costs significantly less. Now let's move to another component that directly impacts both cost and performance. Air filter. This small part has a huge effect. A clean, efficient air filter means better airflow, improved combustion, lower fuel consumption. But here's the problem. Most drivers replace it too late or buy poor quality filters, and this increases fuel usage over time. Now here's where things get interesting. Fuel system cleaners. Many drivers ignore them, but they can make a big difference. Over time, injectors accumulate deposits. This causes uneven fuel spray, reduced efficiency, higher consumption. Using a proper cleaner occasionally helps restore injection quality, improve performance, reduce fuel waste. Now let's talk about something even more overlooked: spark plugs. These directly affect how your engine burns fuel. Worn spark plugs mean incomplete combustion, reduced power, higher fuel consumption. Replacing them at the right time improves efficiency, restores performance, reduces long-term costs. Now here's the key insight. Saving money is not about spending less, it's about spending correctly, because when you choose the right parts, your Audi consumes less, performs better, lasts longer. And this is how you actually reduce costs. In the next part, we'll reveal the exact components and upgrade strategies that can reduce your maintenance costs even further, while improving performance at the same time. It's free for you, but for us, it's essential. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech for real Audi cost-saving strategies and performance secrets.
Now let's go deeper, because knowing the right components is good. But knowing how to choose them correctly is what really saves you money. Most Audi owners still waste money, not because they buy bad parts, but because they buy them the wrong way. Let's start with something that changes everything: OEM versus aftermarket parts. This is where most people get confused. OEM parts are often the same parts, just rebranded and sold at a higher price, while many aftermarket manufacturers produce the exact same quality at a much lower cost. The key is knowing which components you can safely replace, and which ones require higher precision. For example, air filters, cabin filters, spark plugs, basic maintenance items. These can often be purchased at a lower price without sacrificing performance. But here's where you need attention: sensors and electronic components. These parts directly affect how your Audi engine behaves. Using low-quality versions can cause incorrect readings, poor performance, higher fuel consumption. So here's the rule. Save money on simple components. Be precise on critical components. This balance is what smart Audi owners understand. Now let's talk about another mistake: replacing parts too early or too late. Both cost you money. Replacing too early, unnecessary expense. Replacing too late, performance loss, plus higher fuel consumption. So what's the solution? Monitor performance, not just time. If your Audi feels less responsive, slightly slower, consuming more fuel, that's your signal. Now, let's unlock something even more powerful: preventive maintenance strategy. Instead of reacting to problems, you prevent them. Small actions like keeping filters clean, using quality fuel, maintaining correct oil, reduce long-term costs dramatically. Because here's the truth: big repairs don't happen suddenly. They build over time. And when you act early, you avoid expensive failures. Now let's talk about something that directly affects your wallet: fuel efficiency components. Small inefficiencies cost money every day. A slightly dirty intake, a weak spark, a small injector issue. Each one increases fuel consumption, and over time, that becomes a huge cost. So improving efficiency is not just about performance, it's about saving money continuously. Now combine everything. Smart part selection, correct timing, balanced maintenance, efficiency focus. And now your Audi becomes cheaper to maintain, more efficient, more reliable. But there's still one final factor, the one that separates normal drivers from smart owners. In the next part, we'll reveal how to optimize your Audi setup to reduce fuel costs even further without changing major components. It's free for you, but for us it's essential. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech for real Audi cost-saving and performance secrets. Now let's unlock the final level, the strategy that turns your Audi into a low-cost, high-efficiency machine. Because up to now, you learned how to choose parts, how to avoid mistakes, how to reduce wear. But here's the truth. Real savings come from optimization, not just replacing parts, but making your entire system work better together. Let's start with something simple, but extremely powerful: fuel quality. Most drivers just fill up and go, but not all fuel is the same. Low-quality fuel can cause incomplete combustion, deposits buildup, reduced efficiency. Over time, this increases both consumption and maintenance costs. Using better quality fuel occasionally, or alternating between fuels, helps keep the system cleaner, improves combustion, reduces long-term damage. Now let's move to another underestimated factor: tire pressure. This is one of the easiest ways to waste money without even noticing it. Low tire pressure creates higher rolling resistance, increased fuel consumption, extra engine effort. And here's the shocking part: even slightly low pressure can increase fuel usage significantly. So what should you do? Keep tires properly inflated. This alone can improve efficiency, reduce fuel costs, protect components. Now let's go deeper. Driving resistance factors. Every extra weight, every unnecessary drag forces your engine to work harder. Roof racks, heavy loads, unnecessary items in the trunk, all reduce efficiency. So here's the rule: reduce resistance whenever possible. Now let's talk about something that directly connects everything. Driving style optimization. Smooth driving, anticipating traffic, avoiding unnecessary braking, reduces fuel consumption dramatically. And here's the key insight: every small improvement adds up. Better fuel, correct pressure, efficient parts, smart driving, together create a huge difference. Now imagine this: you reduce fuel consumption, you reduce wear, you reduce maintenance costs at the same time. This is what smart Audi owners do. They don't just maintain the car, they optimize it. And when you optimize everything, your Audi becomes cheaper, stronger, and more efficient. And here's the final truth: saving money is not about cutting corners. It's about understanding your car. Because when you understand your Audi, you control costs, you control performance, you control longevity. If you want more real Audi secrets to save fuel, improve performance, and avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. It's free for you, but for us, it's essential. And now watch the next episode, because diesel Audi owners are making completely different mistakes, and some of them are even more expensive.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.